it's like you're kind of going down while you're doing it. It's like on that side of the face, you don't have to go in. That's really freaking bad. I don't know what's wrong with it.
Good luck. Oh, I'm good. I'm good. Oh, yeah.
Make it good, huh?
Not the middle, huh? I went for the middle.
Up, up, careful. You're almost there, Iris.
There was a bar set. By
Holy cow.
it really was.
A little bit more, a little bit more. Ayun, oh, taas na, oh. What?
That's your excuse?
Come on, honey, keep going. I see you.
You're almost there.
Careful, careful. Don't fall, don't fall. Not yet. Not yet.
Not bad.
Oh, come on, come on. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Good
Keep
job,
going, honey. You
Iris.
got it. I know you can do it. Come on. Yeah,
There you go.
There we go.
Napaka-athletic
Push your
nitong
right leg
bata.
up.
No?
There you go, honey. You're doing great.
Good job,
Hindi siya
Iris.
nag-give up eh.
You're doing great, honey. You're right there.
Ako, pangalawang step pa lang, give up na
Yes,
ako eh.
come on. Push off, honey. There you go.
Finally.
Okay.
You're too light.
Down.
Galing ah.
Oh, yeah?
Congratulations, Iris. After fourth try, ah?
Third.
Oh, third. Third, oh, you remember it, ah?
Yeah.
Si ate, she's